kaibigang oso, akong nagbakasyon galing Pinas. Kaya, syempre, meron akong pasalubong. Pasalubong! Thank you so much, kaibigang Ans! Bung ako, may pasalubong ako. Charang! Unboxing po tayo ngayon ng ating pasalubong galing ng Pilipinas. I have my magic syrup, of course. Yes, magic syrup. Dito natin ilagay dyan. Second, yes, lagundi para sa ubo natin. And isa pa, Mifenamic. Tsaka, I have my telephone holder, mga kachabi. Yan. So happy for this. Tsaka may cute na mirror hanging on the wall. At may paref magnet na Red Horse, Tatak Pinoy. Red Horse beer. And may corn beef po tayo, Argentina. Wow, yum. And may pa-t-shirt po na Philippines. Baliktad. Philippines. So, diba? And last but not the least ay ang chicharon na baboy. Napakasarap po talaga nito mga kachat. So, thank you po sa akin kaibigan oso at binigyan niyo po ako ng maraming pasalubong from Pinas. Thank you kaibigan.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away.
Thank you so much kaibigan Os. Nag-order kami ng yoyo. Let's drink to that. Yo.
Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel tired.